Good day everyone. I'm ALISSA Carlos and my topic is numbers and patterns. Our objectives is to identify and explain number, patterns, and sequence. Next is solve problems with simple and logical steps. Lastly is to show the importance of patterns in understanding mathematics. Are you ready? Let's get started. First thing we need to know is what is numbers and patterns. Number patterns are sequences of numbers arranged according to a specific rule or formula. Let's move to our problem number 1 and try to solve it. Problem number 1 is what is the next term of the sequence 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and so on. The first thing we need to know is what is the first step. First step is identify the pattern. Think of any possible outcome or pattern that maybe we can use in this sequence. Let's try squared. 1 squared is equal to 1, 2 squared is equal to 4, 3 squared is equal to 9, 4 squared is equal to 16, and so on and so forth. And our lastly is 8 squared. So our pattern is perfect squares. The next term is 8 squared, which is equivalent to 64. Let's move on to our next problem. Problem number 2. What is the missing number in the sequence 3, 5, 9, blank, 23, 33? First step is to identify and observe the pattern. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So our possible missing number would be 15. So what is our pattern? Our pattern is increases by adding consecutive even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's move on to our next problem. Problem number 3. What is the next 3 terms of the sequence T, 10, 9, 7, 4, 0, and so on? First step is to identify and observe the pattern. What would be the possible outcome for this? Let's try subtracting it one by one. 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. And 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So our pattern is the difference increases each number. So the next 3 terms is, let's try 0 minus 5 is equal to negative 5. Negative 5 minus 6 is equal to negative 11. Negative 7 is equal to negative 18. Let's move on to our problem number 4. What is the missing number in the sequence 10, 6, negative 10, negative 6, negative 2, blank, 6, 10? First step, again, is to identify and observe the pattern. Try solving it in your own. Let's try adding 4. Negative 10 plus 4 is equal to negative 6. Negative 6 plus 4 is equal to negative 2. And negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So our pattern is increases by adding 4. For our problem number 5 is, what is the missing number in the sequence 21, blank, 15, 12, and 9? First step is to identify and observe the pattern. Their common difference is 3. So try subtracting it. I will give you a time, 5 seconds, to answer this question. What is the missing number in the sequence 21, blank, 15, 12, and 9? Remember, identify and observe the pattern. Did you got the correct answer? Congratulations! So our missing number is 18. 21 minus 3 is equal to 18. 18 minus 3 is equal to 15. And so on and so forth. Let's move on to our problem number 6. Describe the nature of the number pattern 99, 77, 55, and 22. So what will be the pattern of these numbers? First step is to identify and observe the pattern. So our possible pattern is subtract by 22. Try subtracting it. 99 minus 22 is equal to 77. 77 minus 22 is equal to 55. 55 minus 2 is 22. Therefore, the pattern is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 22. And lastly, for our problem number 7 is, how are each terms related to one another in the sequence 2, 90, 4, 87, 6, 12, 8, 51, and 10. So how they are related to each other? Identify and observe the pattern. Try to identify it. Try to solve it in your own. What will be the possible pattern for these numbers? So as you can see, these patterns is a little bit difficult. This pattern is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the odd position, which is the 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, they are increasing by 2. While the even position, which is the 2, 4, 6, 8, they are random numbers. As you can see here, the first, third, fifth, seventh, 9 position is increasing by 2, while the second, fourth, sixth, 8th position is random numbers. So let's challenge yourself. Fill in the blank. Number patterns are blank of numbers arranged according to specific rule or formula. What will be the answer? Did you got the correct answer? Well done! Next challenge for you is true or false. The sequence 81, 72, 63, 54 is decreases by 9 each time. Did you got the correct answer? It's true. Thank you, and I hope you learn something from me.